Check out this weekly chart of Tesla with Williams' proprietary indicator at the bottom that measures hedge fund and mutual fund buying. This is the other reason he's feeling positive on Tesla. These money managers have an excellent track record of buying the stock right before rallies. In other words, they're not contrary. They're actually correct. Over the last 4 weeks, they have been buying Tesla stock aggressively. That suggests the stock's getting ready for a big move higher.
Some experts have predicted that Tesla will one day be worth up to $4 trillion. Some even predict that the automaker will reach this milestone by 2030. Find out how Tesla can increase its revenue through multiple businesses.
12 months. The beautiful thing, though, about Tesla is, in my opinion, now you have an extended opportunity to increase your exposure to it. And I think it's actually the best and most overlooked AI play that exists. Everybody's looking for AI stocks, and they're looking at companies like Google. And Google, by creating AI or integrating AI, is putting at risk 69% of all of their advertising revenue. So while they might gain some revenue in integrating AI, they're losing elsewhere. Where when you look at Tesla, the more they integrate AI, the more profitable they become. This is a company that could actually make a substantial amount of pure profit from artificial intelligence. Elon himself suggests that their margins could be zero on the car and 100% from artificial intelligence. We don't even have to consider robo-taxis or the Optimus robot in the future, just the full self-driving features itself with people sitting in the vehicle. Those margins could make this an extremely profitable company, more so than it already is. Yet now people are scrambling thinking, I'm going to invest in Microsoft or Google or Facebook because they mention AI. It's ludicrous. Tesla is the best AI play of the next decade, followed by the chip companies. The danger, of course, is the chip companies become commodities where Tesla maintains true pricing power.
Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry with its cutting-edge technology and commitment to sustainability. While the company's primary focus has been on designing and manufacturing electric cars, Tesla's ambitions extend far beyond the automotive sector. Tesla is strategically positioning itself in several areas that have the potential to become its most profitable businesses for the future. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. In the second phase of Tesla's master plan revealed in 2016, Musk said the company planned to expand the electric vehicle product line further, create solar roofs with seamlessly integrated battery storage, and develop self-driving capability that is 10 times safer than human driving. This explains that Tesla operates on multiple businesses, all of which could help it reach a $4 trillion valuation in the near future. It is important to note that while these business segments have the potential to be highly profitable for Tesla in the future, their success will depend on various factors, such as technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, market demand, and of course, competition. Nonetheless, Tesla's holistic approach to sustainability, combined with its innovative products and services, has laid a solid foundation for continued growth and profitability across multiple industries. So, let's take a deep dive into Tesla's most profitable ventures for the future. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Number 1. Electric vehicles. Tesla's core business and primary revenue stream is the production and sale of electric vehicles. With the success of models like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, Tesla has established itself as a leader in the EV market. The automaker plans to produce more gigafactories in the coming years. These plans have been confirmed by Elon Musk himself when he disclosed that Tesla will end up building probably at least 10 or 12 gigafactories, adding that each of them could perfectly have an annual production of between 1.5 and 2 million units. At this production rate, Tesla could move to manufacturing about 20 million electric cars a year. Tesla continues to innovate in battery technology, range, and autonomous driving capabilities. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow globally, Tesla is well positioned to capture a significant market share and maintain its dominance in this space. Number 2. Energy storage and power walls. Tesla's investment in green energy is another catalyst for its growth. The company's energy storage business is gaining momentum and holds tremendous potential for the future. The company offers products like power walls and power packs, which store energy generated from renewable sources like solar panels. These energy storage solutions play a vital role in balancing the intermittent nature of renewable energy and help consumers reduce their reliance on the traditional power grid. In 2020, Musk proposed how society could transition all its energy usage towards sustainable sources. The plan, outlined at Tesla's Battery Day, involves massively increasing battery production. More batteries means more places to store electricity, and this means more ways to use electricity from intermittent sources like solar and wind. According to Musk, when a solar panel generates electricity during sunshine or a wind turbine, a battery can help that clean energy 24 hours a day. It can then be used in homes and businesses, or even transferred to other batteries, like in electric cars. As the world transitions to cleaner energy sources, Tesla's energy storage division has the potential to become a significant revenue generator. Number 3. Solar energy. In addition to energy storage, Tesla has expanded into the solar energy sector with its acquisition of SolarCity in 2016. The EV maker announced that it was making an offer to acquire solar panel manufacturer SolarCity in an all-stock offer worth $2.6 billion in Tesla stock at the time. Musk said the merger would generate significant cost and revenue synergies, based on his vision of the future of transportation, energy storage, and a green economy. Tesla is looking to expand in the energy industry. The company offers solar panels and solar roof tiles that integrate seamlessly with the company's energy storage solutions. According to Musk, when a solar panel generates electricity during sunshine or a wind turbine, a battery can help provide that clean energy 24 hours a day. It can then be used in homes and businesses, or even transferred to other batteries like in electric cars. Musk has previously said that Tesla will accelerate its solar and energy storage business in 2022, promising a pretty vast clean energy business. He stated that while Tesla's energy business growth had been limited by supply chain constraints, the plan is to expand production and deployment faster than vehicle production once the supply chain issues are resolved. By combining solar energy generation with energy storage, Tesla aims to create a comprehensive renewable energy ecosystem for homes and businesses. As the adoption of solar energy increases, Tesla's solar business has the potential to contribute significantly to the company's profits. Number 4. Autopilot and full self-driving. Tesla has been at the forefront of developing autonomous driving technology. Its autopilot feature, which provides advanced driver assistance capabilities, is already installed in Tesla vehicles. Furthermore, Tesla is actively working on achieving full self-driving through its FSD software. Tesla vehicles have had autopilot for many years, but this software only worked in specific situations. And, of course, FSD does offer a significant improvement, and it does allow Tesla vehicles to operate with only a small amount of driver input, even on roads with traffic lights. Owing to the level of convenience that this feature offers, more people are likely to buy Tesla cars in the future, and this will generate enormous profits for the car company. By 2030, Tesla would likely have FSD already incorporated in its cars, and this will further increase car sales by then. Full self-driving is the newest driver assistance software offered by Tesla, and while the term full self-driving isn't necessarily accurate, since it does still require drivers to be alert, the vehicles equipped with this software will require less driver input than before. The potential monetization of a fully autonomous driving system could be substantial, as it opens up opportunities for ride-hailing services, autonomous delivery fleets, and of course, mobility-as-a-service models. Tesla's investment in autonomous technology positions it well for future profitability in the transportation sector. Elon Musk has said that Tesla will have some sort of ChatGPT moment with its FSD software. The generative AI chatbot has sparked huge public interest in artificial intelligence, spurring hand-wringing over the possibility of a bot-written term paper and amusement over bot-composed fiction. Many think it's terrific that finally something in the innovation space like ChatGPT has captured both the consumer and the business imagination, and it really is helping people imagine and understand that the world of innovation is changing really quickly. Number 5. Energy generation and distribution. Tesla's involvement in the energy sector goes far beyond just solar and energy storage. The company's ventured into utility-scale energy projects through its Tesla Energy division. These projects include construction of large-scale battery storage facilities known as megapacks, which provide grid-scale energy storage solutions. According to Tesla, a megapack unit can store enough power to go with around 3,600 homes for 1 hour. Tesla's Megapack batteries can be used for utility-scale power storage, such as saving wind and solar for later use. Energy generation and storage are a relatively small portion of Tesla's business, generating about 5% of the revenue in 2022. The capacity to store electricity when it isn't in demand is critical as electric utilities move toward wind and solar energy to replace power generated by fossil fuels. Tesla recently announced it's building a new factory in Shanghai to produce its Megapack battery, further expanding into the country at a time of fraught US-China ties. The new factory, where Tesla will manufacture its high-capacity battery for energy storage, is scheduled to break ground in the third quarter of this year and start production in the second quarter of the next. Tesla plans to produce 10,000 Megapack units every year, equal to about 40 gigawatt hours of energy storage, and this product will be sold worldwide. The automaker's focus on sustainable energy generation and distribution positions it as a key player in the transition to a cleaner and more efficient energy grid. What other businesses do you think should be added to this list? Let us know down below, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.